We are home. It is already 2 o'clock, 2:10. I am hungry. This is the single bed. I am actually just right fit here. Oh. Yeah, comfortable. Actually, it's a little hard. And my bed will be just like this. Oh, I'm going to eat first. I'm hungry. Going to eat this hot and spicy tuna. I will watch that later. So the actual size of this is actually 90 centimeters. The length is 188 centimeters. Then the thickness is 13 centimeters. And if you notice this one, this is actually a bed. Yeah, a single bed. But this one has a spring, so it's not possible to cut. Yeah, it's a complete bed actually. Yeah, so I'm going to cut it 63 centimeters. Then I'm going to use this wood to make a straight line. And that's it, the straight line. And then I'm going to use this bread knife. I actually have this kind of bread knife in the workplace. Very smooth cutting. Very nice. I need to put something in the bottom so that the floor is not going to be damaged. I put this one. And look how it is. Yeah, not very smooth, but not a problem. It's done. Now I'm going to put it back inside. And now there is this extra, and I'm just going to stitch it here. That's it. So this is how it is. This is the side. I'm going to put it now outside. And then for this one, I look for nice, it's fit. This is just whatever stitch. It's okay because this is just the cover of the foam. Okay, finish it. Let's go to the car and put it. And it's going to be like that. And then I will be sitting like this. Good morning, guys. It is now exactly 7 o'clock. And we are going out to continue the bun conversion. I need this. So last night, this is what I did. I mean yesterday. Yeah, I put this glued. I glue it here for me to be able to easily roll it like this. Now I am doing that one. I just need to tape it with this reflective tape. And I'm actually not feeling well today. I don't know why. Yeah, since I wake up, I feel not good. I'm really not feeling well. I'm feeling sick. I don't know, since I wake up this morning, yeah, I feel hot, but at the same time I'm feeling cold when I am outside. I took a shower, hot water, hoping that I will be active right after taking shower, but I didn't. Yeah, and so I stay here in the bed. And now my eyes is smoky, hot. I already called the workplace. I said to chef that I'm not going to work. I'm feeling sick. Yeah, and he asked me to go to the clinic for a certificate. And another thing, there is a family that is going to meet me. Yeah, they messaged me 3 days ago, and they want to meet me today. It is already 12 o'clock. I'm supposed to be working at 2. Yeah, but still I am going to meet them because yeah, they are guests. One of their goal for coming here is to see me also. Yeah, so I'm going to meet them and I will be just wearing a mask. And then I'm also going to the clinic in the pharmacy. I am going now. It is now 12:05. And I'm not going to bring this camera. And I am back home. It is already 2:15. So I basically got this paracetamol, 500 milligram. Yeah. $2. And also this anesthetic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. Yeah, for sore throat. And then this certificate, medical certificate. And the person that I meet, yeah, he gave me this gift. I don't know what is this. I'm going to open it not today. I feel like going to bed. I'm going to sleep. Yeah, see you later. Hopefully I'm good later on. Good day, guys. Yeah, at the moment I am covered with 3 layers of one sando, one sweater, one t-shirt, and one sweater, plus 3 blanket. Yeah, I realized that when I was a kid, or even before when I was in Dubai, I need to sweat, a lot of sweat, for me to feel better after. Yeah, and that is what I am doing right now. Yeah, I'm sweating too much inside. And I am somehow feeling a little bit better, but I want to sweat more. Yeah. Initially, I just cover myself with a blanket and one with my t-shirt. Yeah, and then I realized that I need to sweat a lot. I also tried to bomb it because again, I remember when I was in Dubai, when I'm feeling sick or when I was young, I need to bomb it. Then after vomiting, when I get back to the bed, yeah, I'm sweating too much. And after that, I feel good. And now I'm feeling a little bit better now. Yeah. But I want to sweat more. And I actually feeling a little suffocated here. Yeah, but it's all in the mind. If you think that you are going to be suffocated, you will really be suffocated, and it's not good. That's why think positive that. And this is my worst feeling sick. I should go to work. Sometimes I am not feeling well, but if I go to work and be active at work, yeah, later on I'm good, not sick anymore. Yeah, I'm feeling too much sweat now in my face, in my body, and I need to wash this blanket. I need to wash this blanket maybe tomorrow, tonight. Yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Yeah. We'll see you later. Well, look at this. Here's a sweating. Too much sweating. My phone, where's my phone? I don't know where's my phone. Yeah, I think my phone is in the car. The toilet maybe. Yeah, nothing here. I am now very hungry. But I don't have food here in the house. I have just tuna in can. And egg and rice. And I don't like that today. I'm going to order online. But yeah, they are going to open in 30 minutes more. I'm hungry, very hungry. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is my order. Yeah, total these are all $23. Supposed to be $30 plus, but because there is discount for new member. Good day, guys. Yeah, it is now already 11:20. I'm still feeling sick. Yeah, no good. But I need to go to the grocery to buy fruits. The food that I ordered last night, I mean yesterday, is not. Yeah, I don't like the smell. Yeah, this one that I ordered last night, I don't like the smell. I'm familiar with the smell because yeah, when I was in Sydney, I was eating in the Thai restaurant and that's the same smell. I don't like that. Just this time because I'm not feeling well. But that is where I usually eat before when I was in Sydney. Yeah. So I tried to check online for the same day delivery, but yeah, there is no same day delivery here in Nelson Bay. I'm not going to bring this camera because yeah, it's not convenient vlogging with the feeling like this, so I'm going to leave the camera here. Yeah, I feel like laying I feel like laying here on the floor because it's cold. And yeah, this is the one that Jack gave me. I'm going to unbox it. They wrap it like a real gift. So it means that they prepared this even before coming here in Nelson Bay. This maybe is a food or something, I don't know. It is something for camping. Yeah, I can read it here. Aussie Trail. Very nice. Yeah, thank you, Jack. It even comes with this battery. Yeah, this battery. It's a big battery. I think it's flashlight. Oh, it's a lantern. It's a lantern, you can see. Very nice. Thank you, Jack.